The computer is a great discovery of modern technology. It is a common machine that has the ability to preserve a lot of data in its memory. It works using inputs and outputs. Printer is an output device. It is very easy to use. Therefore, even young children can use it very easily. It is very reliable that we can keep with us and can use it everywhere and at any point of time. Being the latest technology, computer systems are used in every field nowadays. This reduces the labor of the person at the workplace, that is, less time and less labor force provides the result of a higher level. In modern times, life cannot be imagined without a computer. We can use the inherent in a computer which provides the necessary information in a very short time. It has a big contribution to a person's life because its use is now in every field and it is present as our assistant every moment. Earlier, computers were less effective and work was limited, whereas modern computers are highly efficient, easy to handle, and they can edit more and more tasks. And due to this, it is becoming so popular among people. Future generation computers will be more effective as well as functional capacity will also increase. It has significantly made our life much easier. Also, we can learn anything easily by just sitting in the room connected with internet. Each and every piece of information is just under a couple of clicks away with internet and computer technology. We can buy anything through the internet connected to the computer so that we can get free delivery sitting at home. It also helps with our school project. There are hundreds of benefits of computers for human beings, and at the same time, it contains several disadvantages. However, keeping in the mind the negative effects and measures to avoid the same, we can utilize this great machine to the fullest. It can do work of any nature. It is easy to handle by anyone and takes very little time to learn. Due to its ease and efficiency, it is widely used such as offices, banks, hotels, educational institutions, schools, colleges, shops, industries, etc. Many people buy laptops and desktops from their children so that they can enjoy work related to their studies and modern video games. A computer is a big dictionary and a large storage device to protect any kind of data like any information, study related material, projects, photos, videos, songs, games, etc. The computer is capable of solving complex problems in a couple of minutes. Moreover, it helps us boost our knowledge. It is a machine based on data. It provides us with many tools such as text tools, paint tools, etc. It is very beneficial for kids and students in their school and project work. The computer is very important in the field of work, educational and